nyahame onyomo chware na chako ngeyo ala bino meyo diangel mono loni ngo virgin kai chware reporting ni nyahano ane na me achaho achulo lim anna chaho. Oh my god.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Nyaci Okune pledges cows for virtue. I am Denish Ongora. This is Lango News channel. The paramount chief of Lango Cultural Institution, Dr. Engineer Moses Michael Odongo Okune, has announced a cultural initiative aimed at promoting moral discipline and family integrity in Lango. Speaking on 11th December 2025 while welcoming the new Otero Lang clan head, Ambrose Ocean, at his residence in senior quarters, Lera City, Odongo Okune pledged to reward a cow to any girl who preserves her virginity until marriage. He said the confirmation would be made by the husband, who, upon declaring that his wife was found a virgin, would prompt an immediate donation of a cow. The paramount chief described the initiative as a way of restoring dignity, self-worth, and moral consciousness among young girls, using cultural meaningful symbols.
Dan unjo amenu uno pointin unde bede uno ponye dohe wore ponyo no joe passionasha ka wano ponyo tino kere kodi ponyo tieno maho atek tutwal ya da ho bede yom ni wundushu podi tie uno achilla penge unicho pe mi lo moro boli nyahame onyomo chwale na chako ngeyo ala bino meyo diangel mono loni ngo virgin kai chware reporting ni nyahano ane na me achaho achulo lim anna chaho. Oh my god.
Odongo Okune also urged clan leaders to protect Lango's cultural heritage, including traditional dances, songs, and foods, warning that the gradual loss of culture threatens community identity. He further called for the inclusion of girls in family wills, saying the practice would reduce inheritance disputes that often arise after the death of parents. He encouraged cultural leaders to serve with integrity and to guide society using tradition as a foundation for unity and moral strength. Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.